Guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Just quickly wanted to make this emergency update video for you because we fucking nailed it. CPI data just came out. Now I gotta be honest, I expected a little bit lower, but it came out higher. Therefore everything in the mother is dumping. That is exactly how we expected it. I said it earlier, everyone is getting way too bullish. Everyone thinks we're going to 25, 30k and even higher, but we have not swept the load. It's still a bear market, still an inflation case. Everything is tied up to inflation, the dollar and the Fed. I've said this over and over and over again on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube, over and over. You can look back at the videos where I warned you every time, watch out, watch out. I think we reached a turnaround point just right now with this CPI data. We're going straight into the data. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. We are here on the inflation report, said it already. The inflation rose 0.1%. We expected a small decline of approximately 0.5%, 0.6, 0.7. That didn't happen. I also have to say I expected a little bit lower because oil went down, but food went up. Nonetheless, I said maybe one more day of rise, and after that we are dumping down. I said it 2 days ago. Be careful longing because we could be dumping. I said today Bitcoin crash is coming. I am shorting this. I have told you over and over again. Don't suddenly start DMing me if you get liquidated or shit. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. I said it this morning. You can look back at this video. I am shorting this. I told you exactly in 12 minutes why this could be a turning point. We have this support line right here that comes into play, that is now of course resistance because we have not broken it anytime yet. We have two yellow support and resistance lines. Then we have the target of this falling wedge that has been met. Then we have the golden pocket measured from the top all the way to the bottom, all the way to the upside. That was the golden pocket right there. We are having a bearish divergence on the momentum waves, and the price also beautiful. Now we are printing a blood diamond. It just comes all together. I said it this morning. I'm very sorry if you got liquidated, but it's your own fault. I said it this morning. Very, very beautiful. What I'm really hoping is that we are not stalling somewhere here or at the bottom, but that we are now really in the next couple of days, maybe 2-3 weeks, really going lower, sweeping that 17k. Now, very important, in the next couple hours we could zig and zag up a little bit because in this 4 hourly is pretty heavy, more than 5% down. Again, I am short on this dump. And if we are going up or zigzagging here a little bit, I might add to that short. Like I said, I think this was the pivot point. Money flow coming down, momentum waves coming down, all the news is just bad. We are getting 100% sure a 0.70% interest rate hike next week from the Fed. Maybe, if we're lucky, even higher than that. 0.75 is a guarantee at this point because all of their efforts have not had the effect that they wanted to have. They wanted to have the inflation down, and guess what? Inflation is up. Also this morning, I said it already multiple times, just because we one time have an inflation that's lower doesn't mean that that's the end. We're going to 100k, yippee-ki-yay, inflation is over. I want to see more consistent data, and boom, next month after, inflation is up, shit hit the fan. And that's exactly now where we are. So I really expect a further dump on the prices. There is just no any more good news. You can wank off on the Ethereum merge and yada yada yada. It's these kinds of stuff is always a sell the news event. So we have a bad CPI, we have an interest rate coming up, and we have a sell the news event, and we are overbought. For me, the sky is as clear as it could be. Dollar index. This was my big surprise. This was what I was hoping for. We still have the arrow from this morning. I said I really hope that we can go curve up, and that's exactly what we did. Now again, this was quite a pump so far already, so expect this to retrace a little bit, zigzag, and then maybe higher because inflation is still very much in play. This is still the main character of the movie that we're watching here on the financial markets, and it just dominates everything. So inflation is still high, dollar still really soft, stock markets are still going down, crypto still going down. That's just what it is. And I am using this pump to the upside to just sell off to, because traditionally September is a very bad month. So I was just waiting for this moment, and now I took a short beautifully. Congratulations to everyone if you took this trade. Like again, I said, I'm very sorry. I mentioned this before on YouTube, on my Twitter and everywhere. that this is just the case. So I just quickly wanted to make this emergency video for you, and this is a big FU to all the people who were just constantly mooning the price and taking everyone sucking into longs, and now all of these longs are getting liquidated. I also don't see a lot of longs underneath here in the order book, so I think it's going to be very, very bloody. And I just want to tell you, please be careful who you are following, who you are listening to, and when you're putting your trade in. Just because Carl van der Moon says, oh, I'm putting $1 million long that he gets from I don't know what kind of affiliate fees, doesn't mean that you have to do so. He is getting liquidated in approximately $500 to $1,000 from where we are right now. We can reach that in a matter of a day, so that any guy gets liquidated again on his trade. But if you follow these kinds of influencers, you're getting burnt. So be very, very careful and keep the broader perspective. And yeah, if you like these kinds of updates, then please do me a favor, like and subscribe. Share the video. Please just share it with someone that we can share this message about trading and about the stock markets and inflation, that people can get prepared for what is coming. This shit show ain't over yet. And that is the most important message for now until the end of the year. Alright guys, that will be it. Again, like and subscribe. See you next one. Follow me on Twitter. I will keep updating you there during the day, and also on my Instagram. And see you guys very, very soon again in the next one. Bye bye.